dry brush, you take the brush that has, so put in the paint, right? And you see how the paint is really not super liquid, right? The paint really needs to be convinced to come aboard, right? Paint doesn't want to come aboard, just get it here. So you don't have to dip it in a well of paint, full of paint like that. That's too much, right? So now what you do is make a mark, right, like that. See that here? So basically the paint, it doesn't flow out. If the paint flows out, then it's not dry brush. But see how you can obtain an even layer of paint. See that? By painting. Let me do it even larger, because that way it's going to become even more evident, right? You start doing this, right? See how it's basically a wash, right? You gotta train your hand to do it a little bit, right? But what I'm doing, I'm putting a layer, a line, right, of paint, one next to the other one. And as they're so close, they touch, they blend together, and there's no solution of continuities here. See that? See that? So this way, what you could do, you could do small controlled little area of color and layer them. For example, see that area there?